Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to save key value data to iCloud using NSUbiquitousKeyValueStore in Flutter iOS. So let's get started. So as usual, I have created one Flutter application and here you can see I have added one more import called Flutter services because we need to create a method channel, and for that we will be writing some native code. So first, all you need to do is just scroll down, and here you can see I have just refactored this my home page. Rest everything is same. So here inside my home page I have just taken one stateful widget. Here I have created a method channel called iCloud platform. You can name it whatever you feel like, but same name you will have to use it on native iOS side as well. So yeah, here is our iCloud channel, and here is a string data which is empty at the start. Then I have created one text button inside our column widget, and on press of it we just invoke a method called setValue, and here I am passing this particular value, hello from Flutter. So like I said, we will be storing data in key value pair. The key is set on native iOS side, but if you want you can send the key from Flutter as well, just like I'm sending the value. So here I'm sending the value is the key and this is the actual value, so don't get confused. This value is not the key. This value is the key for this particular hello from Flutter thing. So we need to take that particular thing on Flutter side, but the key for NSUbiquitous or iCloud is set from native iOS side. And this is the text for our button. Next I have another button called get value. Again we have just created this, like we'll need to create this method with the same name on native iOS side, as well as this set value method as well. Then here is our text widget. So inside that we are just passing our data, and whatever is the style we are displaying it over here. Okay, then what you will have to do is you will have to go to your iOS folder of your Flutter application and double click on this runner.exe workspace. It will open it for you in Xcode. Then just go to runner over here. Then you will have to click on sign in capabilities. You will have to click on this plus capability button. You will have to select iCloud. Make sure you have signed in with your proper team, and here you will have to select key value storage. Then go to app delegate. I'm not really sure if this requires a paid Apple developer account. I don't think so, but if you have it, just to be on the safer side. And here you can see inside this app delegate file I have just initialized our NSUbiquitousKeyValueStore. Okay, now this particular thing should be present by default for you, as well as this particular line of code. So in between these two lines you will have to first get hold of our Flutter view controller. Then here we create our Flutter method channel. So this is the method channel name. Then here we just look for the method. So our first method is set value, right? So we are whenever the set value method is called, we first extract the value which we have sent it from Flutter side, and we pass it to our key value store sort set. So here is our value which we set it from Flutter side, and this is the particular key. Now you can change this key to whatever you feel like, but if you change this key you will have to change it for the get value as well. So over here we just synchronize it so that it is available pretty soon for us. Now this might take a time. If you immediately click on set value then immediately click on get value, sometimes it might not return you back the result. So it does take a few seconds, I would say, but iCloud is a little bit finicky as well. Sometimes it does take even more than that, and sometimes it is available immediately. So yeah, it's difficult to tell. Then here we are looking for the get value method. So here we just do key value store dot string, passing our key. Whatever data we get we send it back to Flutter side. If there is no data, I'm just sending no data back. And there is this else clause. Here we pass the result as well. Okay, and here we return super.application. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Now let's run our application. I would recommend you to run your application on a real device. I think it will work on a simulator as well. Just to be on the safer side, run it on a real device. Let me mirror my device. Okay, so here is our output. So I will just click on set value. So nothing really happens when you click on set value because the return type is void. Now I will click on get value, and here you can see I'm getting hello from Flutter, which I have sent it from this particular set value. Now what I'll do is I will uninstall the application just to show it to you. Also it might be a good idea to add one check just to see whether the user has signed in into their iCloud account or not. I have already made a separate video on how to check whether the user has signed in into iCloud, so you can watch that video. I just wanted to keep this tutorial simple, that's why I have not added it. So I'll just rerun the application. Now I will directly do get value. Hopefully we should be able to see whatever value we have set. So I'll just click on allow, I'll click on get value, and here you can see I'm directly getting hello from Flutter. So here I'll just do hello from Flutter 2 just to show it to you. I'll rerun my application just to prove it to you. Now I will click on the set button and then I'll click on the get button. Let's see, this should work. I hope so. Okay, so I'll just click on set value, I'll click on get value, and here you can see hello from Flutter 2. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.